Are you ready to lead the future of quality? Welcome to the most advanced Six Sigma Green Belt course, reimagined for a digital world. This isn't your typical training. It's a journey through 40 immersive lessons packed with smart tech, real-time data, and cutting-edge tools. From digital twins to predictive maintenance, from AI-powered root cause analysis to blockchain-based traceability, this course blends Six Sigma precision with Industry 4.0 intelligence. You'll learn how to solve real problems using live dashboards, automation, and cloud-based platforms. You'll work smarter, faster, and more strategically, whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, or tech. Each module is designed to give you hands-on, practical skills. No fluff, no filler. Just tools that deliver results. Finish strong with a capstone project and a professional pitch deck that proves your value. Walk away certified, confident, and career-ready. Join thousands of professionals building the future of process excellence. Enroll now and become a digital quality leader.